Stop wet cough fast with these natural remedies. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Understanding the root cause of your wet cough is crucial. It often results from a respiratory infection, leading to the production of excess mucus. Identifying the trigger can help tailor an effective treatment strategy, ensuring a quicker recovery. Staying hydrated is essential when combating a wet cough. Water helps thin the mucus, making it easier to expel. This simple yet powerful remedy supports the body's natural healing process, providing relief from discomfort and aiding in the recovery journey. Honey is nature's sweet solution for soothing a wet cough. Its natural antibacterial properties help fight infection, while its thick consistency coats and calms the throat. A spoonful of honey can offer immediate relief, making it a favorite remedy across cultures. Steam therapy offers a natural way to clear your airways and ease a wet cough. Inhaling steam helps moisten the respiratory tract, loosening mucus and allowing for easier breathing. This method is a gentle, effective way to find relief. Gargling with salt water is an ancient remedy that provides quick relief for a wet cough. The salt helps reduce inflammation and draws out infections, soothing the throat and reducing the urge to cough. This simple solution can be easily prepared at home. Herbal teas offer a soothing embrace for those battling a wet cough. Warm and comforting, these natural concoctions can calm irritation in the throat. Ingredients like licorice root, marshmallow root, and thyme are not only pleasing to the palate, but also provide relief from relentless coughing. Humidifying your living space introduces moisture into the air, which can significantly ease a wet cough. Dry air can irritate respiratory passages, but a humidifier keeps them moist, reducing coughing fits and making breathing easier, especially during the dry winter months. Essential oils have become a popular remedy for a variety of ailments, including persistent wet coughs. Eucalyptus and peppermint oils, known for their decongestant properties, can be inhaled via a diffuser or applied topically when diluted, offering aromatic relief that soothes the airways. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, combines the healing properties of turmeric with the soothing warmth of milk, making it an ideal nighttime remedy for wet cough. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce chest congestion and promote a more restful sleep. Ginger, with its potent anti-inflammatory effects, acts as a natural remedy for calming a wet cough. Its ability to soothe the throat and diminish coughing is enhanced when consumed as a tea or chewed raw. Ginger's warmth not only alleviates irritation, but also boosts the immune response. Garlic stands out as a potent remedy for combating wet cough due to its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Incorporating garlic into your diet can bolster your immune system, helping to fight off the infections that often lead to persistent coughing. Probiotics play a crucial role in balancing gut health, which is surprisingly linked to respiratory well-being. Regular consumption of probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir can reduce the frequency of cough episodes by strengthening the body's defense mechanisms against pathogens. Elevating your head while sleeping can be a simple yet effective strategy for those suffering from wet cough. This gravity-assisted posture helps prevent mucus from pooling in the throat, thus reducing the cough reflex and promoting a more restful night. Exposure to irritants such as smoke and pollutants can exacerbate a wet cough, making it more difficult to manage. Avoiding these triggers is essential for allowing your airways to heal, minimizing irritation, and preventing further aggravation of your symptoms. Breathing exercises not only strengthen the lungs, but also improve the efficiency of the respiratory system. Regular practice can help reduce the frequency of coughing episodes, making it a valuable tool for those looking to alleviate symptoms of a wet cough. Staying warm is more than just a comfort during cold weather. It's a strategy to ease a wet cough. The warmth helps to loosen mucus, making it easier to expel and providing relief. Ensuring your body is kept warm can significantly mitigate cough symptoms. Chicken soup isn't just a soul-soothing meal, it's packed with benefits for those suffering from a wet cough. The steam helps in opening airways, while its nutritious contents boost the immune system, aiding in quicker recovery from cough-related discomfort. Pineapple juice contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to break down mucus. Drinking it can help reduce the thickness of mucus, making it easier to clear your airways and lessen the severity of your cough. Acupressure offers a non-invasive remedy to alleviate cough symptoms. Applying pressure to specific points on the body can help in relaxing the respiratory system, thus easing the cough. It's a holistic approach that can be used alongside other treatments for better relief. Onions, often found in kitchens around the world, hold surprising benefits for those battling a wet cough. Their natural compounds can act as expectorants, helping to loosen mucus, thus providing relief. Incorporating onions into your diet or even inhaling their vapors can be an effective yet unexpected remedy. Despite the variety of home remedies available, it's crucial to know when to seek professional advice for a wet cough. If symptoms persist or worsen, consulting a doctor becomes imperative to rule out underlying conditions and receive appropriate treatment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.